Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an interesting AI chatbot where you can use all the important AI models in a single window. So it is one of the very futuristic chatbot, so it is having different kinds of options, especially for our content writing. So it will be very helpful for our research paper writing also. So let us go on to today's video and explore how you can use it for free and also what are the important options available in this particular AI chatbot. So before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing with AI tools. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different kinds of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop, and the important thing is that I am going to show you a live research paper writing incorporating all the AI tools. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. So moving on to our today's video, the AI chatbot what we are going to discuss is that Everask. So this is the chatbot what we are going to discuss. There are 4 different models are available here: GPT-4o Mini, GPT-4o, next Gemini 1.5 Pro, Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. So here this is how this databases it have. So you can use this GPT-4o Mini for free. So after that, so these are the different options available in this chatbot. So here you can see help me to write, create images, code, analyze image, summarize link, get advice, process document, next analyze data. So these things are very useful for us to write a research paper or if you want to analyze a document. Next brainstorm, web search. So these are the different options available. So because whenever you are that is working with any of the chatbot, so just you can give prompts, so these kind of options will not be available. So here you will be having this kind of options. So the built-in AI templates which will be very helpful for you to generate a better content. So we will give some research prompt and let us check it out how it will generate answer for us. So in order to do so, I am going to give an input prompt like this: generate an outline for the research paper titled Importance of Cyber Security and its impacts in the society. So like that you can give input here. So let us see how this Everask model will generate answer for us. Yes, our content is generated here. Here you can see that the introduction part of that particular title, next historical content, next importance of cyber security, impacts of cyber security on society, challenges in cyber security, strategies for enhancing cyber security, future directions in cyber security, conclusion. So this is how you can give any of the research prompt and you can generate better answer using this particular this Everask AI chatbot. So the next prompt what I am going to give is, I am going to give some references here. From the above references, make an introduction and literature review with proper citation. So like that you can give an input prompt here. So here you can see that the introduction for that particular references we have given is generated. So and then you can see that the literature review for the content also will be generated. So this is how you can use this particular tool to generate a better content. So it will generating a perfect content. So you can use this model, Everask model. So here there is only limited prompts you can give in this particular model. So after that you have to go for subscription option. So apart from this chat, so you will be having an option called AI search engine. So here you can see this is a new option will be introduced here, AI search engine. So you can search the latest trends and latest research papers also. Next you can generate image, and then you can generate music. So these are the different options added upon in this Everask AI. So apart from this, so this Everask AI will serve as a best AI assistant in order to generate a research paper content or any academic writing purposes. So if you are interested in, so go on and give your own prompts with this particular Everask, and if it works out well for you and the content generated by this particular Everask is very useful for you, you can go for subscription option. So as far as subscription option is concerned, so here you can see that. So these are the pricing plans. That is for Pro $10 per month, paid monthly, and quarterly it is $8.33 month. So for yearly it is 4.58 per month. So this is how the pricing plans will be. So in this you can access all the AI models, and it is secure and private. So and then 24/7 priority support. So you can add extensions, but still the extension is not came, so it will be coming soon. So you can access wide range of industry leading AI models. So there are more AI models to be added upon in this particular Everask. So this is all about this Everask AI. So you can access all the AI databases in a single window. So hope this video will bring an aware about this Everask AI. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.